Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Etrade Pro. This powerful platform offers advanced tools for active traders, helping you make informed decisions quickly. You'll discover how to navigate its features, customize your view, and access real-time data. We'll cover the essential steps to get you started, ensuring you can confidently utilize its capabilities. Get ready to enhance your trading experience with a streamlined and efficient approach. Personalizing your Etrade Pro workspace is simple and crucial for efficiency. You can easily drag and drop windows to create a layout that suits your trading style. Add or remove modules like watch lists or news feeds, and save your preferred setups for quick access. Linking components ensures that when you select a stock, all related windows update automatically, saving you valuable time. Placing a trade on Etrade Pro is straightforward. Open the order entry window and select your desired stock or option. Choose an order type, such as a market order for immediate execution or a limit order to control your price. Enter the quantity you wish to trade and set the order's duration. Always review all details carefully before confirming and submitting your trade. Etrade Pro provides robust tools for in-depth analysis. Utilize advanced charting features with numerous indicators to identify trends and patterns. Set up real-time alerts to notify you of significant price movements or news events for your holdings. Access comprehensive research reports and integrated news feeds to stay informed. These features help you make well-informed decisions and manage your portfolio effectively.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.